Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Karibu tena mtazamaji wa channel ya Skills Learning Network Excellence Knowledge. Karibu sana uweze kujifunza somo la leo. Tunahakikisha unakuwa bora juu ya maswali ya chemistry practical. Kwa hiyo sikae mbali, tuko pamoja, na wakati huu tunaenda kusolve experiment au practical number 5, practical number 5. Kama hujapata video ya kwanza, ya pili, ya tatu mpaka ya 4, nenda katika channel hii uweze kuandika chemistry practical experiment solving. Utapata ya kwanza, ya pili na ya tatu mpaka ya 4, na hii ni ya 5. Karibu sana tuzidi kuwa pamoja, tuweze kusoma kwa pamoja ili uweze kuwa bora. Kama ni mwalimu, karibu sana. Kama pia ni mwanafunzi, ni nafasi yako na ni chance kubwa unapaswa kuitumia kuweza kuwa hapa mwanzo hadi mwisho wa kipindi hiki. Experiment number 5, tunaenda kutizama swali jingine, the way unavyopaswa kusolve. Experiment, you are provided with the following solution. R1 contain 5.6 T hydroxide in 1 liter of the solution. R2 contain 4.9 gram of sulfuric acid dissolved in 1 liter of the solution. Our indicator methyl orange. Ukitizama swali hili ni kwamba tunaenda kutafuta nini? Ukitizama hapa katika swali letu ni kwamba we are going to find the value of this one, T hydroxide, and we are going to find the value of T in OH as a compound. Hii ndio tunaenda kutafuta. So what is the element of T in order to get the compound of hydroxide? That is our main concept of the equations. Na experiment ya kwanza mpaka sasa hivi we deal with identification or determination of atomic mass of an element. That is our objectives. Tukienda moja kwa moja katika the way unapaswa kufanya swali hili ni kwamba we have questions, we have procedure, kama inavyozoeleka kwamba the solution of acid inakuwa katika pipette, katika burette. They say this is pipette, this is burette, and they have a conical flask. They say we have a conical flask here. When we draw, they say this one we have a base. They say this is burette. Here there is TOH, and here we are going to put the value of sulfuric acid. That is our experiment. So this is base, and this is acid. So after that, the question is titrate the acid against the base solution using 2 drops of indicator and obtain 3 theta value. Also, we are going to add indicator here, methyl orange. In this one, we are going to add methyl orange as an indicator here, and the color will be yellow. The color will be yellow. The color of the solution of the mixture will be yellow. What will happen at the end of the reaction? End point. What is the color? Usiondoke, tuzidi kuwa pamoja hapa. Our question, what is the volume of R2 required to neutralize the solution of R1 for complete reaction? So here the main concept we need the volume obtained from acid and the volume obtained from the base in order to get neutralization point or neutral. So when we consider here our pipette of measuring the base is 25. So the pipette used is equal to 25. And this represents the volume of base or VB. And then after titration, the volume of acid from the burette obtained was, you're going to look in the table here, was 25. Was 25 also. Volume. So we have volume of acid and the volume of base is equal to 25. That is our main data we are going to use in our calculations. That is our main data. And then the questions, so it means 25 of this solution it means 25 here. Here is 25 and here is 25. Another question, write balanced chemical equation for the reaction in this experiment. It means there is sodium. No, there is T hydroxide. T hydroxide. So T hydroxide, this is aqueous solution, react with sulfuric acid. This is also aqueous. Don't forget to write the state of the carbon, state of the solution. We get sodium, not sodium. We get T hydroxide, T sulfate plus water. T plus water. This is liquid and this is aqueous. When we balance our equation, here there is 2, but here there is 1, so we have put 2 here. When we put 2, hydrogen increase, so also we put 2 here. So NB is equal to 1, is equal to 2. And the Na is equal to 1 mole. That is balanced chemical equation for our reaction. Another question, showing your procedure clearly. This is very important when you say show your procedure clearly. It means you have to show step by step to see how you're going to solve the element T systematically, is the systematic way. So baada ya kuona balance equation, the volume of acid, the volume of base, number of moles of acid, number of moles of base, sasa tuende ni kuoneshe the way ambavyo unapaswa kusolve swali hilo katika procedure ulizoambiwa kwamba show your procedure clearly. Our aim, target yetu kubwa ni kupata to identify element T by showing your procedure clearly. Procedure ya kwanza, kwa kuwa tumeulizwa upande wa base, we require to find the molality of acid solution. Na kulingana na data tulizonazo ni kwamba acid we have a mass and we have a volume. We have mass and a volume. Let's check this one. We have mass here 4.9 and also we have a volume 1 decimeter cube. So in this way we can get concentration. It means molality is equal to concentration over molar mass. So the molar mass of sulfuric acid is equal to 98. Concentration, mass over volume, ambayo ni 4.9 over 1 decimeter cube, which is equal to the same 0.9 gram per decimeter cube. That is our concentration. So the molar mass is that one. So molality of acid is equal to 4.9 gram per decimeter cube divided by 99 gram per mole. It means this will cancel, will remain mole and decimeter cube. So molality is equal to 0.05 mole per decimeter cube. That is molality of acid. After getting molality of acid, MA is equal to 0.05 m. So now another procedure we are required to find molality of base, which is equal to, the formula is this one, over volume of base, number of acid. So is equal to 0.05 times 25 times 2 over 25 times 1. So when you take this one is equal to 25. Is equal to 25. So this one will cancel with this one. It means this one will be 0.05 times 2. So MB will be is equal to 0.1 M. That is molarity of base solution. Because we are going to find the value of T after calculating molarity of base, we are required to find the molar mass of the compound. So in order to get the molar mass of the compound, we have to use molarity and the concentration. Molarity and the concentration of this solution are 1. Mass we have 5.6, volume we have 1 liter. So the concentration can be calculated without any problem. Let's remove this one in order to get the chance of solving the molar mass. So concentration is equal to mass 5.6 divided by 1 liter. This is gram. Almost to be 5.6 gram per decimeter cube. That is our concentration. The molar mass is equal to concentration over molarity. Which is equal to 5.6. Remember, we have 0.1 molarity. So when we solve this one, molar mass is equal to 56 gram per mole. That is our molar mass. And the last procedure or the rest value, we are required to find the atomic mass of T from this compound. Let's proceed to solve in order to complete our question. So TOH is equal to 56. So we have T plus 16 plus 1 is equal to 56. So t is equal to 56 minus 70. So t equal to 39. And when we look the value of this one with atomic mass, we say T is equal to potassium. T is equal to K. So the compound was KOH. That was our compound in this experiment. According to the series of the question, our question was completed. You have seen the way have been solved. Kama unataka kuona mtiririko mzuri word to word, ni kukaribishe uweze kupata kitabu hiki na uweze kukiangalia, kukitumia na kupata faida kubwa. Utakuwa bora na utaweza kufanya vizuri. Nimepangiliwa vizuri kwa mtiririko ambao unahitajika katika usahihishaji wa chemistry practical. Utawasiliana nami namna ya kupata kupitia namba yangu inayopita hapo, na utaweza kuwasiliana na share vitu vingi, na utapata material kuhusu physics, chemistry na biology na skills tofauti katika channel hii. Kwa hiyo endelea kufuatilia vipindi hivi, kuwekewa comment nzuri na uwe mdau wa kudumu. Karibu sana, shukrani sana. Wakati mwingine na siku nyingine uweze kupata vipindi kama hivi.